I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After slightly warmer than normal highs in the 40s to around 50, a warm front moves east, and we can expect widespread highs in the 50s for tomorrow. On the backside of strong low pressure tracking across the Dakotas, tomorrow a windy day, especially to the north of I-80, with northwest winds gusting up to 40 to 50. The stronger winds combine with low humidity to increase the fire weather concerns tomorrow afternoon. Roller coaster temperatures continue when another cold front drops our highs Friday to mostly the 30s. The 40s still expected over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. This weekend, highs are mostly in the 40s, while northwest Kansas can expect highs in the 50s. A building ridge of high pressure begins a sustained warming trend with highs in the 50s for Monday and Christmas Eve. The long-term forecast indicates the year is ending on a very mild note. Warmer than normal temperatures very likely from Monday through the last day of the year for Nebraska and Kansas, along with nearly all of the U.S. Moisture chances improve with above normal precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through December 31st, especially late next week through the 31st. Key weather factors driving the markets include active weather missing western wheat areas of the southern plains, warm temperatures ending the year, and scattered rain for Argentina. A cold front stretching from the Great Lakes to Texas races eastward, clearing the Atlantic coast by tomorrow. A trailing storm helps focus a band of northern snow starting tomorrow across the northern plains and persisting into Saturday along the northern Atlantic coast. Snow continues into the weekend downwind of the Great Lakes, accompanied by a short-lived cold spell. Early next week, mild and dry weather develops across much of the U.S. with lingering cold weather limited to the Midwest and Northeast. The next round of meaningful precipitation arrives this weekend across Northern California and the Northwest. That precipitation spreads across the U.S. the mid to late part of next week with mostly isolated to scattered rain. Very warm air in the west spreads eastward early next week and dominates the U.S. through the end of the year. Despite the much warmer air, the northern U.S. could still see snow. In Argentina, isolated rain is expected today and tomorrow, along with a few more chances this weekend and early next week. The increasing intensity of rain is favored to hit some of the driest areas of Argentina, especially high production areas of Cordoba today. Other areas being missed, like southeast Argentina, could lead to dry areas developing. With the check of the ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.